Hi, this is Sari with Starkweather Association Services, your partner in solving membership management problems. During the month of March, we've been focusing on spring cleaning your data, and today we're wrapping up the series with focusing on keeping data updated. It's so important to update contact details for members, including email addresses, phone numbers, and physical addresses, as soon as you're aware that they've changed. This keeps your data fresh and clean and allows you to easily contact members without dealing with bounced emails and returned mail. One way as an administrator that you can do this, as soon as you're aware that someone has updated their email address, phone number, physical address, or anything on their profile, let's say they've reached out to you through a contact form, or they reach out to you via email, or at a conference in passing, they let you know. What you can do as an administrator is come to the back end of the site, search for that individual, and then you can edit the profile. From here, you can simply just go in and edit anything that you see here. So you can add in the address, you could change the email, any of the fields that you see here, whatever they've updated and let you know. So you can do that as soon as you're aware of that, and then click Save at the bottom. Another thing that you can do is if you go into the Content and Settings tab, and you go to the member settings right here, and member types. Now there's an option here when you're looking at a member type to require them to update their profile upon renewal. So if we scroll down to the privacy and additional settings, you'll see this option here, review profile upon renewal. So that is going to require them when they're renewing their membership each year or each 6 months, however you have that configured, it will require them to review their information and update anything before they renew. Now, if you wanted to, let's say, quarterly have them be redirected to update that, you could also place the URL to their profile here so that upon member sign-in, they'd be redirected to their profile to go ahead and update that as well. Another tip that we've seen organizations do is send out a quarterly newsletter, asking them to go ahead and update their profile as well, make sure things are current. So you can do that as well by just sending out a quick newsletter with a link to the profile. Those are just a few quick ideas on how to get the member to update their information. Of course, like I started with, you can update that as soon as you're aware as well. If you're looking for other tips and tricks to keep your data consistent and clean, please reach out to us at engage@starkweather.us today. Thanks so much and have a great day.